All right, here we go. This is the room. These are the keys. I gotta figure this out. Hold on. Guys, I am super tired. I just walked over. No, I didn't walk over. I just walked up 10 flights of stairs. All right. Hey, MSC Seascape. Here is my home for the next week. Let me sit the stuff down and get situated and get the lights turned on. All right. Let's see how all of this works. I have no idea. Okay. Let's put the card in here, and then I think we can turn on some lights. It's a little dark to me, but let's see. There we go. All right. So walking in, you see the balcony. Directly to your left is the bathroom. We'll go in there shortly. To the right, there are 3 hooks to hang your things. And let's go straight in. So over here, the thermometer, so you can keep the temperature. Now let me back up a little bit at the front door. Of course, there is the peephole there. And then your evacuation plan in many different languages. The light switch. This is where you put your card in there to turn everything on. And up here, you have a button if you want to do not disturb. You can push that one. Or if you want them to make up your room, you can push that one. All right, let's go in. And here is the large bed. I'll be able to roll all around in that bad boy, and I'm happy about it. Over here is the closet area. Plenty of shelves all the way down from top to bottom. I have candy in my mouth, forgive me. And there is a safe right here. And then we have the drawers down here. And they are easy to open, and then there's soft closed drawers. There's 3 of them. Is there 2 or 3? Yeah. I don't know why I can't seem to open this bottom one. Maybe it's not. Okay. Then you can close this side of the door and open this side. And then this is where, of course, you can hang things and place a space for your shoes. Here are some light switches. Okay. Turns everything off and back on. And then we have these right here by your bed. And then this one as well, your reading light. You have shelves right here, little shelving drawer. Let's go this way. Of course, MSC has this on the bed for you. You have a gigantic mirror. I really thought this was kind of weird that the mirror is here. You know, to check your fit, you have to stand in front of the bed and do it. No problem, no problem. Trash can. And over here, another dresser there, or what is this? Sorry. Here's another one of those things right there. And then more lights. And, oh, this is your, good. So on either side, and light switches again here for these. This one didn't seem to do anything. And then another light right here. We have a sofa. I'm here by myself, so I don't need to see if it pulls out into a bed, but I'm pretty sure that it does, so that there's more space for additional people to sleep. Over here, we have the television. And here's all your remotes and information cards up here. Plugs, outlets. I have a notice that Dixon will be my stateroom attendant. Envelope for MSC. This tells me the digital daily program. I'll take a look at that and see what that means. Your television? No, I'm sorry, your telephone. Another full-length mirror, well, half-length mirror. You have shelving over here, 3 shelves, and water bucket, and your glasses. Right here it says mini bar. It says it's locked, but it was not. And here's what they have in the mini bar, all for a cost, of course. I think that's a Coke back there, yeah, underneath the Sprite. So if you'd like to pay some and enjoy a mini bar, that's what you have. We have more drawers here, 3 of them. Looks like I can actually open this bottom one. So they're pretty deep. And then we have these 2 here. You can have a bench and a table, or 2 benches, however you'd like to organize it. I think that's pretty cool. And then they can both easily fit back up underneath here. All right, let's go out to the balcony, see what we can see here. All right, I have to figure out how to do it. Okay, it says right here, Cynthia, if I would just take a look, pull it down all the way. Yeah, it was already unlocked. So straight up is unlocked, and then just give it a pull. Woo! It is a kind of considerable step up, so you got to watch your step. And we are out here on the balcony. It is a small balcony, but believe you me, I'm going to utilize this small balcony like it was a palace, because I paid for an inside stateroom and was upgraded for free to a balcony. So I am loving, digging this. Thank you very much. Jesus, thank you, Lord. And 2 tables, nope, 2 chairs and a table. And here's my look at Miami. What's up, Miami? What's going on, Miami? How you doing? I've been kind of ignoring you, trying to get here. Haven't given you much love, but welcome to Miami. All right, back inside. Let's go check out the bathroom. That's the last area that we need to check out here. All right, pop on that light and step in. I'm so happy to see that it's a glass door and not a curtain. Thank you very much. Once again, let me look. Another big step up, and it tells you to watch your step. To the right, as soon as you walk in, there are towels, some at the top, some at the bottom. You step into the bathroom and you have your shower. Taking a look, your shampoo and your shower gel by MSC Fragrance. This is how this goes. And there is like a little lever there on top that you can switch that around. Okay, small shower, but it works. Your restroom, there's some racks up here. They give you the information on how it works. If you do not need a new towel, what to do, what goes into the toilet and what does not. Your lights, more little lights right here, right? Yeah. I don't know if these are lights or what. Yeah, lights. I didn't know. More shelving area. Toilet paper here, another towel here. The sink, faucet, your mirrors. Down here is where there's bags, more toilet paper, and your trash can. So this, oh, and over here is the that full length mirror that you can really take a look and see what's going on with you. This is my cruise cabin for the next week, and I am thoroughly excited. So that is your room tour if you are staying in a deluxe balcony. This is cabin 13258.